Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this incredibly delicious dish, butter garlic stuffed chicken. It's kind of a variation of chicken Kiev, but incredibly delicious in our version. So let me walk you through this. Okay, let's make the garlic butter paste by adding 4 tablespoons of butter. And you want this at room temperature so it's nice and easy to work with. Followed by 2 cloves of chopped garlic. You can use minced or crushed as well. And last but not least, a handful of chopped parsley. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this up until it's well combined. This looks and smells so good. After it's nice and pasty, I'm just going to put it on some cling wrap, wrap it up, form it into a log shape, something like this, and I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. You can do it in the fridge too, but I just find the freezer is faster. Okay, well our butter is firming up. Let's work on our chicken. And what we're going to do is just create a pocket in the middle of kind of the thickest part of the breast. Now this is kind of like chicken Kiev, but it's a lot easier in our style. So this is kind of the pocket you want. You don't want to poke it all the way through. After about 10 minutes, our butter is nicely firmed up. So what I'm going to do is just remove it from the wrap and slice it up. It depends on how big your chicken is. You might want to slice it thinly or smaller pieces. Okay, for the next step, we're going to grab up our butter mixture and simply insert it into the pocket of the chicken. In this case, you might want to make, I'd say 2 or 3 or something like that. Then we're just going to kind of close it up so it looks something like this. Alright, what I've got here is my dredging station and just some seasoned flour, simply salt and pepper. So I'm going to put the chicken in and make sure it's fully coated. Next, into a couple of beaten eggs. And you want to make sure this is well coated. Then, into some panko breadcrumbs. Now I like panko, but you can use Italian, whatever you like. Okay, back into the flour. So we're going to kind of double dredge these. Back into the egg wash. And of course, back into the breadcrumbs again. Then simply set them aside on a plate. Okay, next up I'm going to add some oil to a pan and I'm going to heat this till about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius. And I should add this is about an inch of oil in my pan. Slip the chicken in. And we're going to fry these over medium-low heat for about 4 minutes on each side. After about 4 minutes on each side, our chicken is nicely seared. So I'm just going to remove it. Put them on a baking pan, lined with some parchment paper. Now this is already cooked, but just to make sure it's fully cooked, we're going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove it from the pan and plate this up. And there you have it, guys, our garlic butter stuffed chickens. Doesn't this look incredible? So let's give this a taste test. This is so good. It's buttery, garlic. I like the parsley. The chicken is tender. The outside is crispy. You simply have to try this. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Enjoy and have a great day.